Dear friends, I wanted to discuss the differences between prokaryotes and eukaryotes, that is, prokaryotes versus eukaryotes. Prokaryotic organisms are primitive type. They have incipient nucleus or false nucleus, or it is also called as nucleoid, that is, they do not have nuclear membrane and nucleus, because of which they are called as prokaryotic organism. Pro is primitive, carrion is nucleus. Eukaryotic organisms, on the other side, they have a true nucleus. U means true, carrion means nucleus. They have a true nucleus. What do you mean by true nucleus is they have nuclear membrane and nucleolus. This is found in higher evolved organisms. Now, prokaryotic organisms, they have many double membrane cell organelles which are all absent. But in eukaryotic organism, double membrane cell organelles like mitochondria, Golgi complex, endoplasmic reticulum, lysosomes, they are all present, whereas these double membrane cell organelles are absent in case of prokaryotic organisms. The next important feature for prokaryotic organism is they have ribosomes of 70S type with a larger subunit of 50S and a smaller subunit of 30S, where S is the Swedberg unit named after the scientist. They are all not normal numerals, they are sedimentation coefficient. If you add 50S and 30S, they are going to give 80S, but you shouldn't add them. They are all sedimentation coefficient, they are not normal numeral values. Ribosomes in case of eukaryotes are of 80S type with a larger subunit of 60S and a smaller subunit of 40S. These are clearly seen in eukaryotic organisms. In prokaryotic organisms can be noticed in only one kingdom, that is Monera, where they have bacteria, blue-green algae. Blue-green algae is also called as cyanobacteria or cyanophyceae or mixophyceae. Whereas eukaryotic organisms are noticed in all the remaining four kingdoms, that is kingdom Protista, kingdom Mycota or Fungia, kingdom Plantae or Metaphyta, kingdom Animalia or Metazoa. Apart from that, prokaryotic organisms, most of them exhibit amitotic type of cell division, whereas eukaryotic organisms, you can notice mitosis and meiosis type of cell division. In prokaryotic organisms, the um, nuclear material will be circular DNA. So that is not noticed in case of eukaryotic organisms as they are present within the chromosomes. So these are the differences between prokaryotes and eukaryotes. Thank you.